Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I make thousands of dollars every single day consistently, specifically from deving meme coins. And no, I don't trade, I don't do all this bullshit, I just dev. And in today's video, I'm going to show you my entire strategy from A to Z. I do not sell a course, I'm just here to help you. So if you are unprofitable in the trenches and you want to make a quick bag or find a brand new strategy, well, this video is for you. Now, I made this entire report specifically from deving meme coins, not from trading or not from doing other stuff, only from deving in the past couple of years. And trust me, bro, it's untapped, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. Now, there's a specific pattern that plays out constantly in crypto 95% of the time, and that is this chart right here, okay? What you are seeing here is a pump and dump. Basically, okay, a bunch of people buy in a coin, okay, and after a couple minutes, the dev dumps his entire supply on all the traders, and he is profiting from everyone who bought in. And most traders never figure out this truth, okay? The people that are constantly profiting every single day aren't the traders, but it's the devs, okay? The creators are the ones making consistent gains every single day because they have nothing to lose, okay? They either break even or make profits. That's it. But traders, though, you have to risk your entire report on one trade, hoping for the chart to go up. This video is going to change how you look at this space because I'm going to walk you through the entire process of launching a meme coin live from zero to cash out, okay, live on camera. I will be doing a live example, so by the end you have a clear, honest picture on how everything works from A to Z. Let's get straight to it. And by the way, bro, I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. I am not a financial advisor. I am just here to show you how it's done. That's it, okay? My job is to educate you guys. Yeah. Now, almost everyone who decides to start deving as a beginner lands on Pump.Fun first, and they just launch coins over and over again, hoping to make profits somehow, just blindly like that. That's a big problem. The volume of most coins is staggering. They get no buyers, no volume, and they get zero attention. And even if you get a coin to get a couple buyers or a coin to go viral, it has to fight through a bunch of fucking competition, and it only stays visible for a couple minutes. And throughout all of it, the platform Pump.Fun takes a cut from your creator fees, and they maintain control over your liquidity pool. Now, the main goal as a dev is to get your token in the migrate section. That is the dream for all the devs, because once your coin goes on Raydium and it migrates, it gets a bunch of volume, a bunch of attention, a bunch of free promotion, and most traders in general, they like to buy migrated coins if it has a good narrative. And that's exactly my strategy. I launch my coins on Raydium, and going through Pump.Fun, bro, it's fucking impossible. It has to reach a migration price, and it's over competitive. That's exactly why Create Meme.io solves the core problem directly. It launches your token straight onto Raydium from the moment it goes live. No bonding curve, no waiting, no migration required. It goes to Raydium. That matters because Raydium is where real buyers are and where thousands of traders are waiting to buy your coin. That's exactly why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. You even retain full control over your coin. There are two ways to making a coin on Create Meme.io, and both can work depending on your strategy. Now look, you could either build a whole original coin from scratch if you have a good narrative, if you have a community or a project, anything. The concept behind your coin needs to already have momentum or some type of community or views, anything, right? You can go on any social media platform, it's up to you. You could also use their free X tracker and turn tweets into coins, but in this video we will be using another method called the copy trending coins tab, okay? Copying a trending coin is a faster, low risk approach because all the coins showing right here are currently gaining a bunch of traction on Pump.Fun. They have real volume, active buyers, and a proven narrative. You just have to select one, copy it directly to Raydium, and then you can benefit from the existing demand on the Raydium decks, okay? You are not starting completely cold, you are entering into existing momentum and volume, and that's exactly why we copy coins. But anyways, let's stop yapping and let's actually dev a coin, and I will show you how it's done, and we will see if we can turn a coin into profits, all in this video right now, starting now. So connect your Phantom wallet and then click on the refresh button and then look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna just choose one randomly, this one, waffles. Click copy to Raydium, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, ignore the block from Phantom, it's normal, it's safe. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand right here, and then confirm, and then the coin will be minted. You just gotta wait a couple seconds for it to load. And then boom, bro. For example, if I go in scan just for some proof, you guys can see that it's minted. You guys can go check for yourself on chain. Okay, it's on chain, it's live, it's legit. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Now this is where your coin officially becomes tradable on Raydium. You just set your allocation. I would put 90%, which is like the starting standard fucking point. Okay, and here you have to pair some SOL in your coin, which means you will be exchanging some of your Solana for some supply. Now look, okay, it's really important because you need supply to make profits as a dev. That's the whole point, but you are not losing this 0.3 SOL. Okay, you will get it back later, or whenever you want you can get it back. It's not a fee, it's not a loss. You're just exchanging for some supply. You can always exchange the supply back for the SOL, so it's not a big deal. I'm gonna put 0.3, just put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. Click on crit pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, when that is done, just click on the refresh button right here and then scroll down, and bang, the waffles coin is now live. Your PNL is going to show up right there whenever you need to see it, and you have the other stats right there. And if you click on the refresh button, for example, ooh, as you guys can see, we're up 160 bucks already because people are buying our coin. They're basically like investing early because we have a good narrative. Oh, bro, we were just larping this shit, but yeah, the copy trending coins fucking feature is actually good. Now look, click on view on Photon or go on your trading terminal. It's up to you, okay? And then it should be live in a couple seconds. And as you guys can see, guys, the coin is live, okay? The chart might look a bit weird at the beginning, okay? Depends on what terminal you're trading on. But yeah, bro, look, bang, bro, we're already up like 200 bucks. What the fuck? People are buying our coin. Oh my god, bro. We're up like 300 bucks already in a couple seconds. What the fuck? 2.4k market cap. Guys, look. People are buying in. These are all random organic people, okay? That's exactly why you have to start deving in 2026, bro. It's untapped. Fucking stop trading, bro. If you are not profitable from trading, just stop and start deving, bro. Like, dude, turn to the fucking dark side right now. Like, this coin costed us like nothing to create, and bro, I have people in my Discord like fucking creating 20 coins a day. Like, it's ridiculous, okay? If you are, oh, it's dumping. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to fucking pump. I will do a quick time lapse. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out your supply. Alright guys, I am back, and look, we are at the 6.1k market cap, 2.2k liquidity, bro. Like, it's actually insane. It has been like around 10 minutes. Now let's cash out our supply, and let me show you how right now. Come back to the website, create meme.io, and then click on the refresh button right here. And oh my god, yo, low key, we're up 2.1 bands on this coin. It's at a 2.7k liquidity, 10k market cap, guys. Oh my god, within like 12 minutes around there. I did not time it, but yeah, bro, that's actually insane. This right here is proof that deving is actually fucking lucrative. Now look, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity right here, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it from start to finish. And look, bro, I am not a capper, I'm not fucking bullshitting. I received the payout. Even though Solana is down, deving is still a profitable business to get into, or a profitable strategy. Now the results will vary from coin to coin. You might make less or more, you never know, bro. And that's exactly what makes deving so fun. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description, bro. Like, subscribe, join my Discord, and yeah, bro, good luck to everyone who starts deving.